Hey guys, just Vince here. I just wanted to do a review on Krispy Kreme Doughnuts House Roast Coffee. So it's K-Cups, and it looks somewhat like this. Right. There we go, there's the thumbnail. So yeah, I saved the time from actually making it, and the coffee is already ready. So here we go. I'm gonna do a little taste test. Alright, so I put milk and sugar in here. Yeah, because that's what it looks like. There we go. It's actually a decent coffee. I have no complaints. It's a light to medium roast coffee. It's not too strong, not like a dark roast. Yeah, I mean, I like it. What would I give for my rating? My rating would be, I'll give this an 8 on 10. A solid 8 on 10. That's just personal preference. But yeah, I'll give it a solid 8 on 10. Yeah, so if you haven't tried Krispy Kreme's House Roast Coffee, go out and get yourself some and give it a shot. You never know, you might like it. Alright guys, so yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. My channel, just passed 100 subscribers. I think it's like at 107 right now. So it's going up. Quite a bit. But it could go up faster if more people subscribed, and that would be pretty awesome, to be honest. Yeah. So yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and support my channel. All right, much love, guys. Ciao for now. Okay, bye.